Cats are among the most fascinating and mysterious animals we share our lives with, combining intelligence, sensitivity, and grace in ways that have fascinated humans for thousands of years. They possess remarkable abilities, many of which are still being studied and understood. For example, cats are capable of producing over 100 distinct vocal sounds, compared to dogs, which typically make only about 10. Their ears can rotate independently up to 180 degrees, enabling them to pinpoint even the faintest rustle of movement. Some cats can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, and their whiskers are exquisitely sensitive, detecting minute changes in air currents that help them navigate even in complete darkness. These capabilities allow cats to hunt, explore, and interact with their environment in highly precise ways. Observing these behaviors carefully can reveal a great deal about their emotional state and physical condition. Understanding a cat's life begins with recognizing how their age corresponds to human years, which helps owners anticipate their needs and provide appropriate care. Cats grow incredibly quickly during their first year of life, reaching what is roughly equivalent to 15 human years. During this period, kittens experience rapid physical growth, motor skill development, and social learning. By the second year, they are comparable to a 24-year-old human, reaching full physical maturity and sexual development. After this, each additional year corresponds approximately to 4 human years, reflecting a slower pace of aging. This framework allows owners to gauge life stages more accurately and understand why a 5-year-old cat may still exhibit playful behaviors, while a 10-year-old cat may begin to show early signs of aging such as reduced mobility or sensitivity to cold. Genetics, breed, lifestyle, and overall health all play a role in how a cat ages, but this approximation offers a practical perspective on the feline lifespan, helping to guide nutrition, veterinary care, and behavioral management. Body language is a primary form of communication for cats, and they convey an astonishing amount of information through posture. Ear and eye position, whisker placement, and subtle gestures. A cat with a relaxed, loosely positioned body is displaying calmness and trust, whereas a stiff or tense posture signals alertness, anxiety, or potential aggression. When a cat crouches low to the ground, it communicates fear, submission, or hesitation. Conversely, an arched back with puffed fur signals alarm or defensive aggression, often occurring when a cat feels threatened. Ears are highly expressive indicators of mood. Ears held upright and forward show curiosity or engagement. Sideways ears can indicate unease or uncertainty, and ears flattened tightly against the head warn of fear or aggression. Eye behavior is equally informative. Slow blinking conveys trust and relaxation, while wide, dilated pupils indicate excitement, fear, or pain. Whiskers, often overlooked, provide subtle cues as well. Whiskers pointed forward can show focus, hunting interest, or excitement, while whiskers flattened against the face reflect fear or defensiveness. Kneading, a behavior in which cats press their paws alternately against soft surfaces, is often a sign of comfort, bonding, and contentment. By paying attention to clusters of these signals rather than isolated behaviors, owners can interpret their cat's mood more accurately and respond in ways that support safety, comfort, and emotional well-being. The tail is one of a cat's most expressive tools, conveying a wide range of emotional states and intentions. A tail held straight up often signals confidence, friendliness, and positive social interaction, frequently used as a greeting toward favored humans or other cats. A slight curve at the tip can indicate curiosity or affection, a subtle but clear sign that a cat is relaxed and comfortable. Conversely, a tail held low or tucked tightly under the body suggests insecurity, nervousness, or fear. A puffed-up tail, with fur standing on end, signals alarm or defensive aggression, alerting others that the cat feels threatened. Tail movements also convey levels of focus and irritation. Slow swishes of the tail tip often indicate concentration or mild annoyance, whereas rapid, forceful lashing communicates agitation and the need for personal space. Observing tail position alongside ear orientation, eye expression, and overall posture provides a complete picture of a cat's emotional state and helps owners respond appropriately. Vocalizations are another essential aspect of feline communication, particularly in interactions with humans. While adult cats rarely meow to other cats, they often use a wide range of sounds to express needs, desires, and emotional states to humans. Short, soft meows typically serve as greetings or polite requests, while repeated or insistent meows indicate urgency, such as a desire for food, attention, or access to a particular area. Purring is commonly associated with contentment, but cats may also purr when stressed, anxious, or in pain, making context critical in interpretation. High-pitched meows or yowls often signal distress or discomfort, while low-pitched growls or hisses convey anger, fear, or defensive aggression. Other sounds, such as chirps, trills, or chattering noises, often occur when cats observe potential prey or experience excitement, showing their alertness and hunting instincts. Understanding the context, tone, and repetition of these vocalizations allows owners to respond appropriately, whether that involves providing reassurance, removing stressors, or seeking veterinary care. Marking behaviors are a natural and important form of communication in cats, used to express territory. Social hierarchy, or emotional state. Urine spraying, usually on vertical surfaces, is often associated with territorial claims or sexual signaling, while horizontal urine marking may indicate stress, insecurity, or issues with the litter box. Fecal marking, although less common, also communicates territorial boundaries and dominance. Scratching serves multiple purposes, maintaining claw health while also depositing both visual and scent markers on objects. Facial rubbing, head butting, and body rubbing are ways cats deposit pheromones that communicate comfort, familiarity, and a sense of safety. Rolling on surfaces mixes scents, reinforcing a cat's presence in its environment and signaling relaxation. Recognizing the types and patterns of marking behaviors allows owners to manage stress, prevent unwanted behaviors, and support a harmonious home environment. Spaying or neutering, providing multiple litter boxes, and offering environmental enrichment are effective ways to reduce inappropriate marking while supporting natural feline behaviors. Vaccination is critical in maintaining feline health, protecting cats from a variety of potentially fatal diseases including feline viral rhinotracheitis, calicivirus, panleukopenia, rabies, and feline leukemia virus. Kittens generally receive their first vaccinations between 6 and 8 weeks of age, followed by booster shots throughout the first year to ensure full immunity. Adult cats require periodic boosters based on veterinary guidance, tailored to lifestyle, exposure risk, and health status. Proper vaccination safeguards individual cats in multi-cat households, reduces the risk of disease transmission, and supports long-term health. Maintaining a recommended vaccination schedule, along with preventive care and age-appropriate nutrition, contributes to a cat's longevity and quality of life. Houseplants, though beautiful and common in homes, can be toxic to cats and must be carefully managed. Lilies are particularly dangerous, as even small amounts can cause acute kidney failure. Dieffenbachia, pothose, peace lilies, and sago palms contain compounds that may cause oral irritation, vomiting, diarrhea, or liver damage. Cats often chew on leaves or rub against plants, making accidental exposure a real risk. Prompt action, such as removing the plant, rinsing the cat's mouth if safe, and contacting a veterinarian, can be life-saving. Awareness of toxic plants allows cat owners to provide greenery in their homes safely, balancing aesthetic enjoyment with the cat's well-being. Beyond plants, everyday household items can also pose significant hazards. Cleaning products, including bleach and disinfectants, can cause burns, drooling, vomiting, and respiratory issues. Laundry pods, antifreeze, insecticides, rodenticides, and human medications are extremely toxic and can result in organ failure, seizures, or death. Essential oils, air fresheners, candles, electrical cords, string, small objects, and glue present additional risks, ranging from poisoning to choking or intestinal obstruction. These substances should always be stored securely, out of reach of cats, and suspected exposure should be treated as a veterinary emergency. Quick action in these cases is essential, as it can prevent serious injury or death. By understanding how cats age, interpreting their body language, tail and vocal signals, recognizing marking behaviors, maintaining vaccinations, and being aware of environmental hazards, owners can create a safe, comfortable, and enriching environment. This knowledge not only strengthens the bond between humans and cats but also ensures the cat's health, happiness, and well-being throughout its life. Cats communicate constantly, and learning to understand their signals allows humans to respond appropriately, support their physical and emotional needs, and appreciate the depth of intelligence and sensitivity these animals possess. Caring for a cat is both a responsibility and a privilege, and observing, listening, and understanding them transforms everyday life into a relationship filled with trust, companionship, and mutual respect.